It's so important to showcase what Wales has to offer, and London Fashion Week is a brilliant platform in which to do it.
Mae'n gyffrous a os unrhyw beth rili edrych mlaen at arddangos dillad a casgliad Jayne achos I bod hi yn ddilynfrau Cymraeg a mae collection diweddara hi yn anhygoel.
It's such a privilege to bring all the Welsh brands with me that I enjoy, like Tom Simmons. I've been to his restaurant in Cardiff and the food is amazing, and the Cygnet Gin as well.
It's a big part of promoting Wales, not only in the UK but on a worldwide basis. Geographical indication, I guess, is really important for local producers, helps put them on a bigger map and also protect what they do.
Oh, the gin, yeah, that was good, yeah. Had a bit of that.
I knew that would please.
That was great.
I'm DJing after the show, the after party. I've got a real eclectic mix of music, lots of Welsh language to show off the talent in Wales, lots of Welsh artists, and to see Wales being put on the map and showcase the talent, and then to be involved in it, I'm really chuffed.
Bydd mor neis I gweld dillad Cymraeg yn ffordd modern a I gweld y byd Cymraeg yn sleek, fashionable.
I think it's paramount that Wales has a platform in events like this. You know, the world comes to London for a week and Wales should be here, so I'm so proud.
It's good to see Welsh designers at London Fashion Week showcasing their work, their craftsmanship. And I'm going to leave here feeling happy that I came to see the show. I love the dragon.
Promoting Wales on a bigger stage. It's something that we've built our brand around. It's really important.
We're so creative, and I think it's great to be able to come and show what we do really at international platforms such as London Fashion Week.